Ikaw sabi. Goodbye. Thank you. Hi to all people here. YouTube. Thank you for watching one people. Thank you for the thumbs up. Your girlfriend was hot like me. Wait. Hi guys, good evening guys. Good morning there. I'm fine. How about you guys? How about you? I'm always fine. 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 I'm always fine. Thank you. Thank you for joining here guys. I'm fine. Thank you. What are you doing now? There. Morning there now. Morning in US. Drinking coffee. Okay, because morning there. Thank you for the 3 people watching. Thank you po. Ano ba itong Dharma? Thank you for 4 people watching. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Kumusta po? Thank you for 2 people. Gus and thank you 5 people watching. Thank you so much.
Always potato fries. It's cheesy to love.
Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi sa nanonood sa akin. Sa nanonood. Salamat.
Vitalite is the most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Ang hanap ng Red Horse Beer, extra strong na mo. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak sa hapon ng bukas. Red Horse is strong. Number 1 extra beer in the world. 100 taon na nagmamatay para mismo bawat sa isang daan. Nagsayo sa pagkakas.
Di maamin ang damdamin na ngayon wala kang Gab, magla-live ako Gab. Na ngayon wala kang nasa aking piling. Hi David, you look great. Thank you Sir David. How are you? Where from, David? Thank you for six people watching. 5. I'm good, thanks. Where from, Sir David? I'm from the UK. Nice to meet you, Sir David from UK. Raining now. Starts raining now. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you, David. Hi for 8 people. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm from Philippines. I live in Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you. You have a nice smile. Thank you. Nice smile even if I have big eyeballs. Eyeballs. Hi, Manuel. Thank you for always joining here, Manuel. Thank you so much. Hello po. I'm America. Hello po. I'm still locked up as the burst 2000 po. Hindi ko, I don't know how to, I don't know how to unban because I didn't send the, the option or the settings. I don't know how. I don't know how to unban. Oh my God, sorry. Stop, I told you. Okay. How? Oh, hindi ka ba? I don't know how to unblock.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan maaari ay masisilang tema.
Thank you for watching. 9 people watching here. Thank you so much. Only because you too much drama po. I don't want drama po. It's all about serving that purpose. Thank you, American Kuya. Thank you so much. I don't know how to unblock. No option. Even the settings, I didn't see. That's why. I'm sorry, American Kuya. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much. American, get over. And good would not like. Thank you for watching po. If people here, thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you for 10 people watching. Thank you so much. Brother Tim, I'm not trying to talk or say anything bad. Or you just respect brother. Yes, thank you, Kuya. Thank you for living watching people here. Thank you so much. You wanted to her to have a secret of her and you didn't like it because that's why you said it in her language. Because you know I don't understand. So I don't know. Oh my god, withering now. Maybe typhoon is coming. Maybe typhoon is night, not day. Oh, heavy rain. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And it's so to charge the phone. Maybe. Oh my god. Heavy rain. Maybe tomorrow canceled for the school because the rain is so heavy. Oh my god. Wow. Daddy, sararado. Stop your okay. Then I will move it out. Gab, sararado niya ito na ano. Sararado niya ito. Ito na ito tandaan. Wala ko na. Thank you for watching. Ilak mo si Mayos, Kuya Gab. Ilak mo si Mayos, may awang pa. Ilak mo si Mayos, may nakausli. Ah, ilak mo sa maayos. Kaya may mga nakaano pa. Thank you for watching, guys. Every na. You are to fit well. Manuel. That rain is bad. Oh my god. Girl, how many days now? Yesterday and now raining. Oh my god. Sudden rain, slow rain. Oh my god. Thank you for watching, everyone. Raining. Wala naman. calm down the ano, uh, calm down the wind, and the wind and the rain is slow, suddenly stopping. Oh my god. We worried about the floods here. Hope this night, tonight, not so much. The typhoon is not heavy because it's night, dark. We can't see if blackout. Even have an electricity, it's still dark here. Oh, starting again. Raining. Another thing, if you ban all guys here, viewers get lower and lower. This is way to make extra money for her kids. Trust her, she loves you only thing. Yes, thank you American Kuya. Thank you so much. Don't worry, I support her already. She is okay. We only ban the sneaky ones and dirty minded guys. Brother Tim, do you believe in God? Maulanggang. Maulanggang. I'm a Christian and I believe in God. Stephen Martin. Good evening, Cheryl. Good evening, sir. Nice seeing you here. Thank you, sir. Nice seeing you here again. Thank you, sir, Stephen Martin. Now that's a question. You don't zap you, but it's fine. Oh my god. Only way for her to lift bans is to remove your moderator, but would cause so much drama. I don't want for her. We don't talk about religion or people politics. Oh my god. Not true. Not true, but oh my god. Manny Fernandez. Hi, Kain. Hi, Kain. I'm the only one who can unban you because I banned you. Ah, okay. Bakit oh my God ka ng oh my God nahiwagaan ako sa mga nangyayari sa akin, mga buhay-buhay, sa mga aking paligid. Masyadong mahiwaga. See you again. You're going to the mall. I told you that is not gonna get unbanned. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh, nagla-live ako, guys. Thank you guys for watching. 6 people watching her. Can you put the thumbs up? Thank you. Hi, Sister Tumbaga. Hello po. Hello. May partner ka na, meron na. I already have partner. Partner in life. Dito ang ulo mo. I-charge mo tama na yun kung mag-brown out, malubat ka. Turog na. Ano, Poranich, yes, friend stop. Nobody comes here anymore. The viewers are done. That's all I was saying. Take our sister, we are not welcome here. Nag-charge wag ako. May pinito, napipinit ako. Mano ka? Ha? You're not because
Ito, pwede dyan.
oh my god. Oh my. Yadi may tubig pag di ho.
Malamig.
Dire. Ay nasa malamig kay makulbong ka. My god. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Nothing. So don't look like the typhoon is not coming. Yeah, I need to prepare if typhoon is coming. Brother, trust your girl. All I'm telling, I didn't. It cost me. This was 5 years ago. Don't worry, I'm happy with someone now. Not telling you. Advice. No? 5 years ago. Oh my god. Thank you for watching, guys. You always maybe have a balance me. Also, I talk to him. Ah, Kuya Gab, sarado mo daw ng tabi. Ang pinkamay, ano din ito.
Sarado man.
Ilak mo. Common tabi, ano nung Kuya Gab, tabi ito ha. Bye everyone. Bye-bye. Love you all.